Yo, g'day mate. It's Chriso from the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. I'm in the bathroom now. I've done all the skirting around the rest of the house. My last port of call is in the bathroom. What I'm trying to show you here is I'm using two different colours. I'm using a light grey. It's called Michelin Grey. It's exactly the same as the grout, but I still want to run around the bottom in my white, which matches the tile. So I'm with using two colours. I need two guns, because you can't do one colour, squirt it with your soapy water and then expect to go off with your other colour. It doesn't work because you've sprayed the soapy water, so you've got to do it all at once. I hope you can see that. So you spray it all at once. I stop at an intersection because I don't want soapy water to run down there. I'm not able to carry on siliconing. So I go around here and I stop there. I don't go around because I've got to carry on to that internal corner, which I'll soap everything up. I've got to work out to an external corner, if you dig what I mean. Still using my favourite empty silicone container. That's for my silicone. I haven't sprayed that. You can see what happens when you don't spray it. It does not work. You've got to have soapy water. Look at that. What I'm trying to teach you is how easy it is to silicone like a professional. I am a professional. I've been a professional for 35 years. I know what I'm talking about. I know what I'm doing, and hopefully I can pass it on to you people that are wanting to learn. That is my whole aim in YouTube. So using the pedal pop stick, bang, look at that. I hope you can see it. When you drop it, I'm overloading my pedal pop stick too much. That's the reason for that. When you have that happen, just give the floor a bit of a squirt and it'll come up easy. If I tried to, I'll show you an example. If I tried to put that on the floor, for example, right? It's on a dry floor. If I tried to take it up just like that, look at the mess. That's all you do. Whooshka. So if you do drop any on the floor, just give it a spray. Now I do have this hob slightly sloping into the shower. It is a rule that the shower screen guy always puts his shower screen there. This is going to be a frameless shower screen, so there's no aluminium. It's going to be a black frame going up the wall and a black a frame going up the wall, but all this is just going to be glass, and you have your glass sitting there. I hope you can see my paddle pop stick. So the water runs into the shower. When you open the door and the shower's still going and some goes on the hob, it always runs back into the shower. Great. Fantastic. I like it a lot. Oh, nice. Always wipe your nozzle before you start off. I had just noticed I'd missed a bit. I am a fan of no hob. I like the seamless floor, walk straight in. It can be used for wheelchair access, everything. Brilliant. You're not having to step over, but it was convenient to have a hob here, so that's what we've done. Wipe your nozzle, wipe your finger on your shorts. Wrong colour. Good one, tell your mum. Doing a bathroom is a little bit slower because you've got all your ins and outs. Another. What's the dog barking at? I'm not going to have time to go up and around and all that sort of thing. I'm trying to go around the bottom. So I've got to just go up for a little bit. You always do around the bottom first. Never up here, because all your soapy water is running down. So you always start at the bottom. I've stopped on an intersection. I've stopped there because then I'll start again, and my spray is going out there. It's not going if I hadn't siliconed that. It helps to think ahead of what you're doing. Dogs are woofing at something. These owners are absolute over the moon what I've done. It's such a buzz. I've said it before, I'll say it again. I love making people happy, and that's part of the reason why I am still tiling. Pretty cool. I've got a bit of waterproof there, so I've got to scrape it away. I didn't notice it before I did the silicone. It helps if you see it before you silicone, but I didn't, but no biggie. I'll just cut it away in a minute. Now you see how I've done up there. Now I'll come around and down, and it doesn't matter if my soapy water runs to there because I've already done it. Okay, I'll turn off my camera, give us a thumbs up, press the bell, press the subscribe button, and I'll see you soon. Bye.